Sunday afternoon, me and the wife, and she's about 4 weeks away from having the baby. So last time, small time for go driving like this, same with no baby. 1 month, 2 months, have baby with us when we go driving. Ôi giời ơi, thích quá.
No, look river.
Big truck. Big truck. I think the trucks have got right away. Yeah. And these are the big locks for letting water in and out. For the irrigation. Anyway, keep driving. Let those trucks get a little bit ahead. I wonder how long ago they built all of these big, levee banks around the river, because they're huge and they follow the river for hundreds of kilometers, you know. Okay. Ah, look, there's fish farms all here. So carrots, that's all carrots there, and fish here. See, I'd love to have a little shack like that on the river, not on a little lake like this, but a little shack like that on the river would be great. Come down, sit, drink beer. Oi. That's what I've got to find, is a place to have a couple of beers. Alright, let's keep going. It's the first time I've seen a snake in Vietnam. Oi, brown snake. It's probably really poisonous. Wait a minute, let me zoom back out again. Probably really poisonous snake, but anyway, I'm surprised somebody hasn't eaten it already. Oh, my wife got off to go and have a look at it, so we go and have a look at it. Where go? Here. Snake in the lock now. There you go. Well, he's probably not going to get out of there in a hurry, but he's dived underwater. There you go. And there he is there. There you go. It's like a sea snake as well as a land snake, that one. Right. I didn't know they swam. There he is, all the way up there. There he is over there. I don't think he's going to get out of that lock, out of that irrigation channel. Anyway, alright, back on the motorbike, just driving around rural Vietnam. There you go. I didn't know, but just up the road from me there's a temple. temple just up the road. It's like the sign said it's a national monument, so I don't know why it's a national monument. Put it in the comments if you know. I know I've got a bunch of Vietnamese fans, but they can't speak English, I don't think, so they don't understand when I'm asking them to help me. But if one of them does, put it in the comments. Let me know what the history is of this monument that's just up the road from where I live. Always amazes me, you just drive around in Vietnam and it's so industrious. Like there's this tiny little yard here, maybe 400 square meters, and they're making all the government posts for the light posts and the power posts. So these are cement power poles or that, and they make them here in a tiny little yard. You know, no gantry. See, like that's one there, one of the bigger ones, right? But he's making the little ones here right in his yard. So, and this is the thing I love about Vietnam. Yeah. And next door over here, they're harvesting and washing carrots. So they wash carrots there. And then in the middle here, there's a timber mill yard here. You know, and one house in the middle of all of that. So I love Vietnam. And it's a nice warm afternoon just to go for a drive, and it's winter time, but it's still a warm afternoon. And I've got some bread baking at home, so I'm going home to hopefully it'll be ready. It was going to take an hour and a half, so I thought I would go for a drive while we're waiting. And hopefully it'll be bread cooked with not enough sugar that it's sweet.